Okay, that's the stock. Now we're cutting in the middle. And then one more time and 2 times, like 6 pieces for this part, okay? See. Now for the hand, what are you doing? You do it like a cut around the bone. And now you cut it in the middle, and then you open. Then it's the same thing as another one. Just open them and cut them. Okay. So now, guys, who want to try these 2 pieces? Who want to try?
Come on, one voluntary.
Don't be shy, guys.
Come on.
No?
Come on.
Oh, it's so easy.
I'm not gonna bite you.
Xavier, allez, viens, Xavier.
Venga, come on. Perfect.
Oh, Xavier.
Allez, tu vas attendre qu'il arrive et puis tu vas essayer. Mais tu fais gaffe avec le couteau parce qu'il a l'air de
Ouais.